Come with us to explore the secret bays of Faralya. We're joined today with our friends Danny and Arsh from Crossing Cultures. Welcome back to our channel. Join us today as we set sail with Ölüdeniz's first and only female captain.
On. Really need the stabilizer, huh?
Yeah. Was it cold?
So cold, but so good.
So good.
It's so clear. Beautiful. Just to come.
Your friends are gonna leave you. You better hurry up. That was so uninspiring.
Cool. Yeah, cool. This is just me.
Try to use your knee. I just.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm struggling.
So how's the water? Is it as cold as the name alludes to?
Yeah, and it's very salty too. But it's good. So we are at the Pirate Way, guys. So back in the days, this used to be a port over here. It goes back thousands of years. And the water changes color again. Megan?
Yeah.
You good there?
Yeah, I'm just a little seasick.
Getting back out is so hard.
You did it very gracefully.
Crazy here, huh? Any fish?
And this is a bay you won't find on Google Maps. The only way you can find this place is if you book with our wonderful captain.
I'm telling you, there's not much space.
Yeah, I know.
Touch the water too.
But you did it already. Yeah. It feels uncomfortable, but it looks good.
I don't know what to do with my hands. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell for upcoming travel vlogs.
What's up, Siri? Are you having fun?
I am.
So what do you think about our captain?
Our captain's awesome.
If you made it this far, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.